What is up, everybody? We are back today and we're going to start working on the back of the trailer. We have this wall here that we have to get enclosed into. We've run our 12-volt power source to the back, which I'm going to turn this cabinet here, the front of it, into a little gauge I can monitor back here, as well as some lights. And we've repurposed this light here for the work area. So we're going to start getting all this cleared out. We're going to get the last of the wire ran and moved in here. We're going to get the wall put up, get everything situated there, and then we're going to start doing some organizing. So let's get started.
They saw that. Abuse! 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 You see that?